The Deputy President of the Senate, Ovie Omo Agege, said peace in the Niger Delta region remains paramount, and as such, youths in those communities should be engaged. Senator Omo Agege drew the attention of the House on the need for oil companies in the Niger Delta to relocate their headquarters to the region, said infrastructures in the region are dilapidated. He also informed the House that the deplorable Warri Benin road, which is usually a journey of 45 minutes, is now about 6 hours.
From Warri to Benin now takes about 6 hours. How do we explain this? How do we explain this to the people? 6 hours for a journey of 40 to 45 minutes. Now, a couple of days ago, I spoke with the Minister of Sports, and he laid the blame at the feet of the National Assembly that because of the budgetary process we've now adopted, that there's no more room for contingency provisions in the budget. That is a part of the just provision in the budget from which they will take money, whether you that to the ministry or through FEMA. Undertake this kind of event. But the current budget as written, there's no such contingency. Mr. President, we may understand that here, but the people in the streets, in Delta, in each of those legislative states, they don't understand that, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, it is bad enough that the economy is in the state it is right now. We will also need to at least maintain the little budget that we have right now, so the people will cease to agitate.
Meanwhile, Senator Omo Agege at the weekend visited the Oroji of Okpe Kingdom, Ore I, and the Olu of Warri, Ogame Ikenwole, thanking them for their wise counsel and fatherly rule in the affairs of the state, geared towards the advancement and development of Delta State. In their separate response, the Oroji of Okpe Kingdom, Ore I, and the Olu of Warri, Ogame Ikenwole, who prayed for Senator Omo Agege on his elevation, said the visit will afford the Deputy President of the Senate the opportunity to carry out assessment of the areas and how he can help achieve same for the good and well-being of all Deltans and Nigerians, irrespective of their tribe and religion.
May God will protect you where you are. So God will show you the wisdom, give the wisdom to do what is good for all of us. Don't forget your people, though. Please take care of your people. The central, data center, take care of them. But know that the whole state is your constituency. Anything you do anywhere people will always remember you that when you want to give us this that's where we got this to that. Even if 20 years to come, they will still refer to it.
So, what's your letter, and I want to appreciate you for what I'm doing for not only for Okpe people, for the global nation. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you much.
Senator Ovie Omo Agege had earlier visited the Okorode of Olomo Kingdom, Ogbon Ogoni Ogoro I, at his palace. For DRTV News, Ifoma Nkemacho reporting.